controllers are ready on vision and sound. The vision and sound are on. The station goes on the air.
I'm Hannah, I'm a broadcast engineering degree apprentice and I'm based in Newcastle.
Hi, my name's Lewis. I'm a software engineering apprentice and I'm based in London.
Hi, I'm Morgan Oliver. I'm an accountant apprentice and I'm based in Cardiff.
So my name's Sophie Price. I'm a level 7 cybersecurity apprentice and I'm based in Belfast.
And my name's Renee. I was a production apprentice back in 2016 and I was working across Radio 1, 1Xtra and Asian Network. More recently, I've progressed to coordinate events such as Glastonbury, so all of the radio output that came from there I was responsible for. I'm glad that I decided to do an apprenticeship. At the time, I knew that university wasn't for me, and looking back, I made a really, really good decision because I'm still here today.
I decided to do an apprenticeship here at the BBC because it was the perfect intersection of my interests in both media as well as cybersecurity.
I saw getting an apprenticeship as the fastest way into the tech industry.
I realised sixth form wasn't for me. I did a year in college and after that year I found this apprenticeship and I've never looked back.
Would it be nice to see more women follow in your footsteps?
I think definitely cybersecurity is an industry and a sector which could do a lot better in terms of actually having a better gender split. But at the BBC, in particular the Cyber Hub in Belfast, we have an entirely female management team, and then amongst us apprentices, 3 guys and 2 girls like myself.
Tell us a bit about some of the things you've worked on so far.
I'm currently a member of the Security Operations Centre, so that's basically responsible for monitoring and responding to any incidents that could potentially affect the BBC, all alongside studying for my master's degree.
So far in my apprenticeship, I've worked on sending bureaus across the world money to help fund their news reporting. As well as that, I've worked on another team called Program Accounting to make sure the projects are paid for, such as Peaky Blinders, such as Casualty.
The team that I'm on is the World Service, and the World Service handles all the news websites outside of the UK.
So my role as a broadcast engineer at BBC Newcastle is waiting for people to have issues with either kit or computers and then working with them to provide a solution. I think my favourite thing about my apprenticeship has been the amount of responsibility you get given straight away. So I've got to see behind the scenes of Look North and some of the radio output we produce as well, which is really, really cool.
Do you have any tips for someone wanting to apply for a STEM apprenticeship?
My top tip for anyone applying would just be yourself, because the BBC is looking for people to add a new perspective to what we do in the design and engineering departments.
I think one of the most important things is, as an apprentice here, you're not expected to know everything straight away. Otherwise, why are you here? What can they teach you?
My 3 tips are: be yourself, apply for something you're passionate about, and never look back.